Hello friends, welcome to Exam Pathfinder. In this video, we will be discussing about the program assistant post which has come in KVK Eduki. This post will be filled via direct recruitment means, and let's see what are the details related to this post. So the post name is program assistant or farm manager. In this, the essential qualification demanded is bachelor's degree from a recognized university. Upper age limit is set up at 30 years, and the application process will be submitted has to be submitted via offline mode, and the starting date for this application process is 25/12/2021, while candidates can fill this application form up to 23 January 2022. Official website as given is kvkeduki.org. So candidates needs to download the official notification and fill the performer or the application form given in that. So for your convenience, we have provided the official notification on our platform alert.exampathfinder.com. Official notification as well as English and Hindi advertisement has been provided as an attachment here. So you can see, you can download the official notification from here, and this official notification will give all the essential details related to this post. So you can see all the pay scale, the essential qualification demanded, and what is the age relaxation and which categories will be given age relaxation. All those essential details can be found in this official notification, and this is the application form which the candidate needs to fill if he is interested for this post. So you can see, you have to fill all the important personal information, as well as attach a latest passport size photograph here, and send this official this application form along with the relevant documents to support your educational qualification and category, all those criterias. So all those attachments, all those documents will have to be submitted and this to this given address by means of post. So friends, if you have some doubts related to this post, you can interact with the community through our community platform alert.exampathfinder.com. So you can go to this our platform and write your comments and queries in this section and interact with the community. So that's all for today's video. You can also subscribe to this with our alert services through this button, and get latest updates related to this event. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much.